Hi, I'm Eric Weber.
And I'm Bill Sferrazza, and together we're Disney Image Makers. So if you're here on our YouTube channel and you're curious what you're going to get here, we are two New York-based photographers who happen to focus on photography in the Disney parks.
Yeah, we've come to realize through our interactions with everybody on Facebook and on Instagram over the past few years that a lot of people are interested in how we take the photographs that we post.
And not just how to take them, it's also how to edit them. So we thought we'd put together a series of tutorials where we will show you how to use your camera and then show you how to edit the photos.
Yeah, we're going to cover everything from A to Z photography-wise, from how a camera works, how to get the kind of shots that you want to get, different lenses, different gear, and different editing techniques.
And then we're going to show you how to download Adobe Lightroom, because that's the program we primarily use. We think it's the best program for editing photos, and that's just our opinion, and it's what we use. We use it almost 100% in our images, and I'm going to show you how to use all the tools inside and how we actually edit our photos.
So you'll be able to follow along as we take shots, as we edit them, as we bring them to the final product.
Yeah, and we're both Disney fans. We've been going to the Walt Disney parks with our families for years and years, and one of the things that we've learned, it's great when we post these spectacular fireworks shots and all this stuff, but for the bulk of people that are going to the parks, they just want to capture their family and get great family memory shots, and we do the same thing. We just don't share them with you all the time. So we're going to show you how we get those images and what some of those look like.
So that's really what it's all about. When you're in that moment, whether it's you want to catch that perfect sunset or you want to get a perfect shot of your child running up Main Street to meet Mickey Mouse, you want to be able to get the shot in the moment and know what to do and not be fumbling around trying to figure out how to get the shot or miss it. Since we are Disney fans and we are family people, we're going to have a lot of fun along the way.
Yeah, our favorites are not so favorites, and you get to come along with us when we're out shooting. The two of us take a couple of photo trips a year, just the two of us, where we go off into the mountains or to the city or wherever we end up. And that's a great opportunity to actually show you the gear we bring and why we set up a shot, and take a moment to actually explain the setup and how it works.
So it'll be the next best thing to actually being there with us.
Oh yes, which everybody wants to do. So if you have any questions or any suggestions, you can ask them in the comments, and if you like the channel, please subscribe if you're interested in learning about photography.
So hopefully you enjoy these. It's going to be fun.